CJ Asian Cosmetics Center, in collaboration with Bethany Hospital Shillong, brings you a one-day CJ Cosmetic Surgery Camp on May 29th from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Procedures include eyelid surgery, rhinoplasty, dimple creation, lip reduction, and more by expert hands. Call 9863-159-229 today.
Kani kejengja kabla Khyllied ke Skad jeng ke Khynnah kalaja haka arpulai trek jemang hajar arpusan. Balalap ya kani lengba ke jengreng dor na ke CCTV ke beliau menring na ke yang ke badan Umsohsun. Kat kum ke video ke beliau lepen ibo ni Runar ulah Khyllied ke Skad jeng ke Khynnah Skul bat ulah ring video bat mar kumta ulah pet no abak. Superintendent ke Pulit ke District East Khyllied ba Vivix ia mulong bagi Pulit geladak ben register muka dumai kani kejengja hapo ki kendon jaka pokso ak. Bagi labo iki kenhon ki bakerpang hakeleng kijaka bakla donru ka kenhon ban thwet ba ban lap inu Runar ublale ya kene ka kam snew.
With regard to that case which has gone viral in social media, we have registered a suo motu case under relevant sections of the POCSO Act. We have a team dedicated to study the various CCTVs around the area. We have a team also to try to identify the person and arrest the person. So efforts are on in this regard too.